Hi everybody, my name is Anna Vasiljevich and I am the founder and one of the lecturers at the Fashionlinknow educational platform in fashion design. Today I want to introduce you with our new form of the online fashion courses within the fashion design, fashion styling, fashion branding and fashion history. And first of all, I want to make it clear that all of our courses are done with the same basic program, which means that there is no difference between doing it in a traditional way as far as the program wise and doing it in this new form. What is the difference between these programs? One of the advantages of these programs is that even though the duration of the program is the same as our traditional programs, this program you can do it on your own, you can do it in your spare time, and you can choose the option whether to do it totally alone or do it in combination with the mentor. So there are two options to work with. The second thing is how we do this program and how you will be able to exercise. All the lessons are divided in modules, and modules are part of each course in a different way depending on the duration of the course or the theme of the course. And depending on the modules, you have lectures. Lectures are audiovisual, which means that mentor recorded himself telling you a story, telling you the lecture about a specific theme, and you have exercises and you have homework to do after each lesson. Each lesson is also filled with lots of video tutorials which can help you to work more, exercising especially the fashion illustration, but not only the fashion illustration, but also explaining some specific themes very important for each course. So all the courses are filled with a lot of tutorials and a lot of material, some with the text, some with the video and audio, so that you have a full experience going to the course. If you choose the option working with the mentor, you have a couple of lessons live, working directly with your mentor, which is also advantage. As you know, I'm a fashion designer and I'm a professor in this field for a long time, and still extremely in love with what I do with the fashion. And the idea for this type of the courses was to give all of you who are in love with the fashion as much as I am to be able to attend this kind of courses in economically good way, but also to get the full experience as you would do with the traditional type of the courses wherever you are. So I hope you will be part of FLN. I'm inviting you to see what type of courses we have. And of course, I'm here for all the questions and doubts that you might have. Till one of our courses I see you, I'm saying hi. Bye bye.